Hey family, it's SNwadiei. I'm Habasia. I decided today, in response to someone that asked me, since my skin is so clear at 68, what do I do to keep it that way? Well, okay, guys, see this face? I can say thank you, mom and dad, for your DNA. Good genetics. That's it, y'all. I stay hydrated by drinking lots of water. That's pretty much it. I stay hydrated and I try to eat as best I can. As much organic food as I can. It's easy in the motherland because all of the food there is organic, at least in the Gambia where I was shopping. And when I'm at home, I'm starting to grow some of the vegetables like my Okinawa sweet potatoes in the back. But anyway, guys, that's it. Just a good diet, the best diet I can eat. I use just a little bit of milk. I mostly use almond milk. I like to make it myself, but I will also buy the one in the store when I don't have time to make the almond milk. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I do simple living. I don't put makeup on except once in a blue moon. This year, the only time I had it on was for my birthday party, y'all. That's it. One day I had makeup on. But otherwise, I don't even wear makeup. So, anyway, a lot of people ask about head wraps too. I see a zillion head wrapping videos, but I will let y'all see how I wrap my head, you know? Because I did see other people's videos, but to me, it wasn't doing nothing much for me. And I like people to see that it's simple. To me, the first thing to doing a head wrap is just to make yourself happy. So you just have to decide what you want to do. This one is just a little simple head scarf, and I'm just putting it on top of my little bonnet. But you don't have to have a bonnet if you don't want to. A lot of people, they'll just turn around and just put a little bow in it if they want. It's just a regular little bow. And then they'll have the little bow. And when you turn around, hopefully you can see it okay. It's just a bow. Because you're supposed to be doing it to make yourself happy, guys. That's what I learned. When I'm wrapping my head, I'm pretty much doing it for myself. So you just decide how do you want it to go. And if you don't like the way it turned out, you just do it again. It doesn't take but a few minutes. You say you want it to go in the front, you just experiment, because that's all it is an experiment. And you have to just feel like a queen or a chief or a boss or whatever. And then you have to decide, hey, what do I want to do with this? Do I want it to just be a little bow on the top? Because you could do that and rock it, you know. Or you could just tuck it in if you want it to not have that up there. And it's it, you know. It'll be a different look, but still something that did not take long at all. So it just depends on how long your fabric is. I will be doing longer fabrics on other videos. This one is the one that I rocked when I came back to the United States from the Gambia. Has a matching mask to it. It's a fun one. And for this one, I just fold it in the middle. That's all I did. Fold it in the middle to get it even. And then I just simply tied it in the back and just pulled it. Just it, just pulled it, and then I just pull it up like this, make a little tie in it, and then you have to decide, okay, do you want to leave it like this? Because you could, and do a photo shoot, a little private photo shoot for yourself, or rock it and leave it like that all the time. It's up to you. Or you could decide you want to tie it again, and same difference. You could open it up if you want. Just go in the mirror and open it up, and until you're satisfied with the look. Only you know when it's done, you know. So you could rock it like that, or you could tuck it in if you want to, and just simply just tuck it under. And then that's a different look. And see how it looks in the back? Very, very simple. And you see, it didn't take much time at all. I got one more simple one to show y'all. And the main thing you got to realize is you just have to work on your attitude. Just a positive attitude, and know that you are beautiful just the way you are. And you can wrap your hair because you want to. It doesn't have to be for any particular reason. I use it as a protective style. It's not for any religious belief system. But if you rock yours because of your belief system, hey, more power to you too. I just love head wraps. And I do wear my hair sometimes, but not that often. Because as I get older, it seems like my hair is getting more fragile for some reason. Feel like cotton candy to me. So I do not want to be bald-headed, so I do a lot of protective styles. So let me play with this. And y'all see I just tied it. I just folded it. And it's no rhyme or reason to the fold. It's just as long as you have a fold where you can tie it in the back. That's the main thing. See? I just tied it in the back. And it's like unlimited ways of tying it. It's just you experimenting with it, and you decide if you want to stop and wear it like this, or if you want to put pins in it. When I was in Nigeria, I was getting my gele tied by my in-law, Jenny. She is so good at this geles and everything. But anyway, she used a lot of straight pins in her designs. But I feel comfortable doing pins. Maybe one day I'll get good at that. But today I'm just going to do a simple little knot in the back. Turn around and let y'all see how it looks. But it is no right or wrong to it. This is just to show y'all 3 different ways that I tied it today. So anyway, guys, I hope these 3 simple head ties for beginners will be helpful to y'all, and that you would just realize that there's no one else like you, and only you can tie your head tie like you want to. You just practice, practice, practice in the mirror until you get it like you want. And then one day you'll realize that you tied it without even looking in the mirror and you were okay with it. And you go outside and somebody gonna tell you they really like your head covering or your head wrap. And you'll say, thank you. So anyways, I hope y'all have enjoyed the head tie demonstration. Until next time, peace, peace, power to the people. And I'm out, y'all. Bye.